If you're thinking about booking the all-inclusive Dreams Riviera Cancun Resort and Spa, then the first thing to be aware of is its location. Because even though it says Cancun in the name, you're actually about 25 minutes south of the city. The resort is set in a quieter area called Puerto Morelos. It's 25 minutes from the airport, which makes arrivals fairly easy, but it's not right in the middle of Cancun's nightlife or hotel zone. So if you're hoping to step outside your resort and find shops, bars, and busy streets, that's not really what this area offers. And if that's what you're after, check out the Marriott All-Inclusive. My review is linked below. Instead, what you get is something more peaceful. Nature is all around, the beach is just a short walk from the lobby, and everything here feels a little more relaxed. So it all depends on what kind of trip you want. If you're looking for a party scene, this might feel too quiet, in which case I would recommend the Grand Oasis. My review is linked below. But if you're looking to unplug and enjoy some space, but with a bit more energy than a purely adults-only resort, you'll probably love it. A common frustration when booking Dreams Riviera Cancun is figuring out which room to choose, because there are so many options, and whether it's worth paying more for an upgrade. I'll talk you through the standard room pricings and features in just a second, but to help you out, I've used my industry connections to secure you a limited time discount of 35% on all room types when you book via the link in the top comment or description. The most affordable room type is the Premium Deluxe Double, which comes in at $488 per night. It includes 2 double beds, a jetted tub, a private balcony or terrace, and a stocked minibar. It's a solid option for couples or small families who want comfort without overspending. Next up is the Premium Deluxe Tropical King, which gives you a peaceful garden view and more space for $517 per night. This is one of the most popular choices for couples, thanks to the relaxing setting and large jetted tub. If ocean views are a must, the Premium Deluxe Ocean View King is priced at $635 per night and delivers exactly what the name promises: a wide view of the sea, plus all the amenities you'd expect in this category. For something a bit more special, preferred club rooms start at $538 per night. These come with added perks like a private lounge, better room locations, and upgraded service. Some travelers love these extras, while others say the standard rooms are already more than enough. Because this is a lively resort that hosts weddings and family groups, some areas of the hotel can be noisier than others. If peace and quiet are a priority, it's worth requesting a room on a higher floor or one that's farther from the main pool. No matter which category you go with, the rooms here are clean, well-designed, and fully equipped. And with 35% off the regular rate, using the links below, many travelers find they're getting excellent value, especially compared to other resorts in the area. Many all-inclusive resorts feel like you're stuck in one big, crowded pool with nowhere quiet to unwind. But thankfully, Dreams Riviera Cancun does a much better job of spreading things out. There are 3 distinct pool areas, one for family fun and games, one that's quieter and perfect for relaxing, and another with a swim-up bar where you can kick back with a drink. This setup gives guests room to enjoy the space without feeling packed in, even when the resort is busy. The staff here are genuinely one of the resort's best features. From housekeeping to restaurant servers, the service is consistently warm, attentive, and personal. If you're here to recharge, the spa is a standout. It offers hydrotherapy, massages, facials, and private treatment rooms, ideal for couples or anyone needing a break from the sun. There's also a fitness center, plus yoga, Pilates, and wellness classes available throughout the week. Families are well taken care of with a kids club, a separate kids pool, and plenty of organized activities. There's a relaxed but thoughtful structure to how the resort is designed, which helps adults unwind while kids stay entertained and safe. You'll also find a coffee and snack bar open all day, a convenience shop for essentials, and bikes available for casual rides around the property or nearby paths. Even little details, like shaded loungers, towel service, or easy access to drinks without long waits, help keep the experience feeling smooth and easy. In short, the amenities here are built for both relaxation and convenience. Whether you're spending the day by the pool, getting a massage, or simply enjoying a quiet moment on your balcony, the experience feels easy and well thought out. A lot of resorts fall flat in the evenings, with things shutting down early and not much to keep guests engaged after dinner. But Dreams Riviera does a great job of keeping the energy going well into the night. The resort offers a full lineup of nightly entertainment that includes live music, fire shows, cultural performances, and themed events held in the Central Plaza or theater. The shows rotate nightly, so there's always something fresh happening after dinner. For guests who prefer something more social, there's a dedicated nightclub, plus beach parties, karaoke nights, and occasional pop-up events like tequila tastings or dance classes. The energy picks up naturally in the evenings, especially around the lobby and pool bar areas. During the day, the activities keep going strong. Guests can join beach volleyball matches, cooking demos, Spanish or dance lessons, or take part in lighthearted games run by the entertainment staff. There's also live music by the pool on certain afternoons, which adds to the atmosphere without feeling forced. The entertainment team is friendly, enthusiastic, and respectful of space, so it's easy to join in when you want or stay low-key if you don't. This balance of daytime activity and nighttime energy makes the overall vibe feel vibrant without ever being overwhelming. Many all-inclusives fall into the trap of repetitive buffet meals, but Dreams Riviera Cancun makes a clear effort to keep dining varied and enjoyable. With 9 dining venues, the resort offers a strong mix of a la carte restaurants, casual spots, and a full buffet, most with no reservations required. That kind of flexibility makes meals feel more relaxed, especially for families or anyone who doesn't want to plan every day around dinner times. For evening meals, standouts include Portofino for upscale Italian, El Patio for traditional Mexican flavors, and Bordeaux, which serves French cuisine in an adults-only setting. There's also Himitsu, a Pan-Asian restaurant with teppanyaki tables that's popular with both couples and families. During the day, Oceana delivers fresh seafood by the beach, while the Seaside Grill offers burgers, steaks, and snacks right by the pool. The main buffet, World Cafe, is open for all 3 meals and rotates dishes daily, with solid options for picky eaters, vegetarians, and dietary needs. For something light or quick, Coco Cafe serves coffee, smoothies, and pastries all day. It's a guest favorite for early mornings or midday pick-me-ups without needing to sit down for a full meal. There are 6 bars across the property, including a swim-up bar, 2 beach bars, and a lobby bar that becomes a social hub in the evenings. Bartenders are friendly, drinks are well made, and top-shelf brands are included in the standard service. Altogether, the dining at Dreams Riviera Cancun is one of its strong points, with enough variety, convenience, and quality to keep meals enjoyable throughout your stay. Some resorts check all the boxes for food and pools, but don't offer much else once you've settled in. But Dreams Riviera adds extra layers to the experience, especially if you're someone who enjoys staying active or exploring beyond the basics. Guests can try kayaking, paddleboarding, or snorkeling right off the beach, or sign up for cooking classes, dance lessons, or even Spanish sessions throughout the week. For couples, there are romantic add-ons like private beach dinners or spa packages. And for families, things like sandcastle contests and scavenger hunts keep kids engaged without being glued to a screen. These kinds of experiences make the trip feel a little more personal, and less like just another all-inclusive stay. Dreams Riviera has a lot going for it, but there are a few things to keep in mind before you book. Whilst this isn't a party resort, there are occasionally weddings and activities going on, which can make some areas feel busy at times. The beach is beautiful and walkable, but it's narrower than what you'll find at some larger resorts. Most guests spend more time around the pools or exploring the nearby area. Also, while service is generally excellent, response times for room service or special requests can vary during high occupancy weeks. It's worth being patient. The staff are friendly and do their best to keep up. Overall, none of these are deal breakers, but they're worth knowing ahead of time so you can set the right expectations and enjoy your stay to the fullest. For what's included, Dreams Riviera offers strong value, especially when compared to other all-inclusives in the region. You're getting spacious, well-kept rooms, multiple dining options with no extra charges, high-quality service, and a resort that balances family-friendly features with adult comforts. Daily entertainment, activities, and fitness classes are all part of the package. The standard rates range from around $488 to over $700 per night, depending on the room type and season. But with the 35% discount available through the link in the top comment and description, that price drops significantly and puts the experience closer to what you'd expect from a higher-end resort. While some extras like spa treatments and private events cost more, the core experience delivers plenty without upselling you at every turn. For families, couples, and groups who want a resort with variety and reliability, this one is often worth the price, especially with the deal applied. Dreams Riviera is best suited for travelers who want a polished, social, and activity-filled all-inclusive, without stepping into a party scene or a mega resort. It's a great fit for families thanks to the kids club, multiple pools, and flexible dining. Couples will also feel at home here, especially in ocean view or preferred club rooms, with added privacy and romantic touches like beach dinners and spa packages. This isn't the right resort if you're looking for complete quiet or an adults-only vibe, but if you enjoy a mix of energy and comfort, with space to relax when you want it, it hits that balance well. Book it at the best price now using the link below, or check out my Cancun and Mexico playlist appearing on the screen now for alternative places to stay.